Hey Gina, where are we?
We're in Elkhart, Indiana at Embassy's factory. And we're coming to pick up Grace and take her home.
Let's do it.
Yay! Oh, look! That's so sweet. I'm so used to seeing this on the Embassy Owners and Wannabes Facebook group with other people. Now it's Gina and Jeff Day. Hey, you know one of the best benefits of getting a van with Embassy?
What is it?
They treat you like family. And we got Mike here. Mike will pick you up at the train station, or he'll take you to get gas and drop off a rental vehicle.
Thanks, Mike.
Yeah.
We do it all Uber.
That's right. He's our special Uber, and you get that special white glove treatment and having extra friends and family here at Embassy. So thanks so much,
You're
Mike.
quite welcome anytime.
And he's married to this beautiful lady over here, Wanda, who takes care of our paperwork and helps us out with ordering and answering a million questions over a year and a half. And Mike, he takes care of you at the very end, and he can pick you up at airports, all kinds of places. Well, thank you so much,
You're
Mike.
welcome. Take two.
Take two. Hey, and here's
Welcome.
Terry.
Good to see you guys again.
Hey, good to see you too.
Hi there.
Have a hug.
Let's go to your brand new RV.
Yay,
All right,
let's do
go
it.
check out Grace. Right here.
All right, so it's Jeff and Gina's day today. The new Embassy Dolphin S. We're here to show it off and show you all the details of it.
You even have her all nice and shiny for us.
Oh yeah. So the vehicle's plugged in and ready to go, and here's your new Dolphin S RV.
Oh my goodness. Now you're gonna show us how to do stuff, right, Terry? Because
Oh, yeah.
I've never had an RV before.
This is the easiest RV to manage in the business, honestly.
We're going to highlight the best of class RV systems in future videos, but here is just a quick preview from the day we picked up Grace, our Embassy Class B RV. Embassy has a culture of quality and kindness. They truly treat you like family. What do I mean by that? Well, what other RV manufacturer offers a day-long, hands-on tour by the vice president of the company with a run-through of all the systems? How many manufacturers allow and actually encourage you to spend a night or two in their parking lot to test out everything, ask questions the next day, and get personalized help from their technicians for anything you don't understand? Plus, fix or adjust anything that needs it right then and there before you drive home the first time. We are first-time RVers. What a relief this was to us. To see more videos like this one, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.